used to tour real easy. He also noticed it didn't sound very good. So he put a horn on it to act like a speaker to make it sound better.
Nice.
Then he worked on changing the cylinders. He started out trying wax. This black wax cylinder would play one song for 2 minutes. But Mr. Edison noticed, because this is wax, if you took this home and you wanted to play it over and over, eventually the needle would dig into it. It wouldn't last very long. Then he came out with the Blue Amber record. This is made of a real hard plastic like you find in the middle of pool balls. This will play one song for 4 minutes. Sells for 60 cents in 1917. Now the phonograph here I'm going to play, this is the Amberella 30 phonograph. This sold for $30 in 1917. This is hand cranked with a spring wound motor. So I do not plug it in, there are no batteries, kind of winds up like a music box.
Right.
This is an original cylinder on it, so it is over 90 years old.
Wow.
Okay, when we're ready?
Cool, huh?
That's what?
Alright, now you see
the
the horns on the inside of this one? Have you ever heard anybody say the expression stick a sock in it?
Ah.
That's where it came from. You would literally stick a sock in it on the models that didn't have volume control yet.
So
So how does it play the music?
When I push this down, the needle comes down and it picks up the grooves on the cylinder and it forces the sound out.
Wow.
So it's like a different cylinder for every song?
For every song with a
Whoa.
different cylinder.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay. It's a lot of cylinders.
Now, a few years later, Mr. Edison came out with a two-sided disc. This is a diamond disc record. You'll see how thick it is. Wood powder in the center. Compressed between material called Bakelite. Early version of plastic. This would play 4 minutes on each side and it sold for $1.
So he invented that too?
Well, actually, he came out with it because Victor and Columbia came out in 1912 with a two-sided disc.
Right.
So he wanted to keep up with the competition. Now this goes with the diamond disc phonograph. Sold for $250 in 1916. Back then, you could purchase one of Mr. Ford's automobiles for $400 to $450. So this is expensive.
He's like, what is this? Yeah.
Now this one, you'll see it's different.
Wow.
It's bigger. Watch inside there. So there's your first volume.
Volume.
Wow. Neat. So what's the cost today for this?
This you probably could pick one up for about $500 to $1,000 because there's still so many in circulation.
Oh, there are a lot in circulations right now?
These will be harder to find.
Oh, okay.
Cylinder ones because they're older.
Yeah,
Yeah.
probably worth $1 million.
Yeah, they're probably $1,000 for one of the cylinder ones.
Wow.
So,
Really neat.
yeah. All right, let me get your guide and to take you over to the house.
All right, Ben, is that cool? 这个人是发明这个电灯的。Remember at home? See all this light bulb we use? He invented Thomas Edison.
He didn't understand the word invention.
He made it.
So what do you mean by
He created it. Understand?